Hey y'all, I am Sierra Taiwo, your favorite stay-at-home mom, and today I am getting ready for my birthday dinner at Damsel. Now I know y'all probably thinking, wasn't her birthday the other day? Why is she still posting birthday content? When is her real birthday? Okay, so my birthday is June the 27th. This was recorded the weekend of June 27th, but because I'm me, a lazy bitch, you're getting it July 4th. But no, seriously, it is my goal to get faster with editing and posting quicker to get my content out there. But for right now, take what I give or don't take nothing. Just kidding. Hit the follow button. Take it. Take the content. Please share, like, subscribe. But no, back to my birthday. So I'm getting ready for my birthday. We are going to Damsel. If you don't know what Damsel is, it is a cabaret, but it's not like a cabaret, you know, like this ain't Jocelyn's cabaret now. Although I would have liked to see some, but it's okay. This is not like a cabaret. It was very wholesome. It was a great show, great performers, great food, great service. Very upscale echelons, if you know what I mean. This was the final look. Look at my man looking like a snack. Now stay tuned for part 2 for more details on this cabaret.